What is SEO? SEO, search engine optimization, is the practice of optimizing websites to improve visibility and ranking in search engine results pages, SERPs, such as Google, Bing, or Yahoo. It involves a top strategies, techniques, and best practices aimed at increasing both the quantity and quality of organic, non-paid, traffic to a website. SEO includes three major components: on-page SEO, optimizing content, meta tags, headers, keyword usage, and internal linking. Off-page SEO, building domain authority through backlinks from other reputable sites. Technical SEO, improving the website's infrastructure, site speed, mobile friendliness, crawlability, etc. Significance of SEO. SEO is critical for any online presence for the following reasons. 1. Increases visibility and traffic. SEO helps websites appear higher in search results, leading to more visibility and an increase in target traffic. 2. Builds trust and credibility. Websites that rank higher often perceived as more trustworthy and authoritative web users. 3. Cost-effective marketing. Unlike paid ads, organic traffic through SEO doesn't cost per click. Over time it offers a return on investment, ROI. 4. Enhances user experience. Many SEO practices, like mobile optimization and fast load times, improve user experience, which in turn increase engagement and conversions. 5. Supports long-term strategy. While it takes time, SEO provide a sustainable, long-term growth if done consistently and ethically. 6. Helps understand customer behavior. Tools like Google Search Console and Analytics provide data on how users find and interact with our site, help engine decision-making. SEO is not just about search engines. It's about understanding what our users are searching for, how they search, and how you can provide them most relevant and accessible content to them. When done right, SEO can drive consistent, high-quality traffic and contribute to the overall growth of your business or brand.